Hi guys, so we build a fireball firework. So this what looks like. So we need to build in here. So you need dispenser, redstone comparator, lever, spruce wood planks, and redstone, and the fireball. So you need some put dispenser here, any dispenser you want to put, but I want 3. Okay, looks like this. So we need to put some redstone here, just like that, and put some here, and put here, then here, and here. Looks like that. Sorry, and put some redstone here at the left. That's what it looks like. By dispenser, put a fireball. Okay, just like that. And then you pull the lever, and that's what it looks like. So this is my short video. Please like and subscribe me on YouTube. Click the button on the ad, and I hope you learn how to build this fireball firework. Thank you, and thanks for watching.